Oh, he's driving. What's up, guys? We're back with another one. Listen, today has been completely crazy. Been busy and swamped since like 8 o'clock this morning. We went, for starters, we'll just start you off with what I did this morning. We got rid of the old John Deere riding tractor, and I went and picked up a new ZT Elite. The sticker already came off, which is retarded. The ZT Elite 60-inch bad boy, brand new 2022. That thing is actually kind of sick, but I look stupid trying to run it because I've never ran a zero turn. And those two little things, I look retarded. Anyways, I put like a little ceramic coat on it and a lot of plastic protector, UV protector, so it doesn't fade and all that fun stuff. But as soon as it dries up a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and do the first cut on that. But I'm super excited about that. And I'm even more excited to tell you guys that we have a special little event going on. And, excuse me, Mr. Illumiduty. And I've got to get this pig cleaned up because, well, a fan of mine, he lives over by me in my town, in the area. And he's going to prom tonight. So we're going to go pick them up. They're going to take pictures, him and his girlfriend, and we're going to go take them to prom. The nice, beautiful, lifted King Ranch. And speaking of this King Ranch, did you know from now until July 22nd, you can win this 2011 F-250 King Ranch, 110,000 miles with an 18-inch lift with King coilovers and King shocks all the way around it. Thing is an animal, probably makes around 700 horsepower with a 366 non-VG turbo, and just a beautiful truck. The truck retails for around 50 to 60 grand, and you can get it for as little as 25 bucks today. Don't miss out on this opportunity. It's a beautiful truck. It runs and drives amazing, and knock on wood, it's never left me down on the side of the road. It's been the best truck, and I've taken it across the country. It drives and runs amazing. You do not want to miss this chance. So go ahead and click in the link above or down below in the description and get entered in today. And tell everybody. Tell your grandma, your grandpa, your sister, your aunt, your uncle, your guinea pig. Tell your pet dog. And, you know, tell your girlfriend and your mom and dad and your chickens that you have at your house and everybody else. But anyways, enough talking. Let's get this thing shined up. And we'll be right back. All right, so the truck is spiffy right now. Looking damn good. It's 5 o'clock. I'm supposed to meet them at 5. I'm going to be there like 2 minutes late. Whoops. But it's going down. So we got it all cleaned up and it's ready to freaking roll. They're going to take pictures and I'm going to take them to the steakhouse, I believe. That's the plan. As long as the plan sticks. Oh, we're stopping. This thing is clean. I'm gonna start recording whenever I get there, and they're probably gonna take some pictures. So it's kind of exciting, man. Take a couple to prom and this truck, like that's sick. Fun fact, I never went to prom, so it's kind of exciting to take these guys to prom and that they picked my truck, and that's sick. It's really cool to be able to do that for somebody. I wish I had this when I was in high school. That would have been sick. Just think, one of you guys can have it, and you're in high school. Showing up to high school in this? Oh my lord. You have to I'm gonna have to give a bat with the truck because whoever gets this truck is literally gonna have to beat people off of their truck. This thing is insane. Anyways, we're about to roll up, so boom! We got this thing slicked up for them. We're here, we're waiting on them now. They said traffic's super slow. People are driving slow. Makes sense though. We got this thing shined up, my guy. It's ready to break some heads tonight. What a perfect chariot to take somebody to prom in. Literally perfect. They're excited. Oh yeah, you're gonna be on YouTube. Smile for YouTube. Both of you guys are. This is pretty sick. Let's see you get in there by yourself. Oh. Almost. It's kind of hard, huh? Turn around. Put your hand on there and then, yeah. And then put your feet up there. Oh, almost. Go ahead, lift them up there. That way you can sit up there. It's not too bad, huh? Hit that the center button. No, and the forward symbol, we gotta hit that. Oh! My bad. Was that loud? Ah, I gotta get louder ones. Oh, he's driving. Look at that. Yeah, let me move this all these cords. I'm so sorry. What is this? I apologize.
There you go.
Dang.
Grab the handle there.
It's not very ideal, huh? You made it look easy. He's gonna make it look easy. Oh, look at him. He knows the trick. He's turning the tire. What a champ. All right, I guess I'll get in the back. And we're off. Yeah, roll some coal, boy. Holy crap, we don't even need a Starlight headliner. She is the Starlight headliner. Holy crap. It's glistening. You can probably put it in drive. You're solid now, because we're not gonna be going on the interstate. So the truck isn't re-geared, so on the interstate, it like downshifts and upshifts in between 5th and 6th, because it only has 373 gears with the big wheels and tires, so it's not like, it tries to downshift more than it does upshift, so it's just annoying, so I've always driven in manual mode. Probably the wrong time to ask, you got your driver's license?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. Well, now we're at the steakhouse, and they're gonna eat and get their tummies full, and then to prom they go. Oh, look at this. What a gentleman. See, I probably would have just let my lady fall. Just kidding. I want to do that. Well, you guys have a great dinner. Don't eat too much. You got to dance tonight, all right? All right. I'll be back in like 2 hours. Well, while they go eat steak, they offered for me to come eat with them, but no. This is their night, you know. It's prom. They're supposed to be on a little date, so I decided against that because I'm not gonna eat with them. That's kind of rude on my side. Anyways, I'm gonna go get me some chicken wings because who doesn't love chicken wings? And then I might go film a pretty sick edit, and then we'll go get with them later in like an hour or so. And what the heck is that? That thing is sick. Hold on, I'm gonna catch it. It's on a trailer. I don't know what it is. Whatever it is, that thing is sick. I want it. Can I have that, please? It's like a mini Corvette. It's literally like a mini Corvette. That thing is sick. How was your steak?
Oh, pretty good.
Good? Did you have steak? What did you have?
I had a burger.
You had a burger at a steakhouse?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What does she have?
I had a burger too.
Oh my, you guys should have just went to like Wendy's or something, huh?
Probably.
Was it good at least?
Yeah.
Nice. You guys have like a nice appetizer or?
I don't know. We had like whatever home cooked fries.
Oh, decent. Okay. Now where are you guys taking me?
Wall Street Cattle Company, I guess.
Oh, nice. Let's go there. I don't know where that's at. Do you know?
Yeah.
That's a good thing you're driving then. Where the sun hits. So like honestly, you're driving this truck, right? And this is not set up. I'm he hasn't even heard the question yet. Does it drive good? And we're on back roads too.
Yeah, it actually does. It drives really straight, actually. Better than my truck. It's a little cool.
Better than your truck?
Yeah.
And what do you have?
A little 96 Dodge Dakota.
96 Dodge Dakota. Is it like lifted, lowered?
No, it's stock height.
Stock height. And it drives better.
Yeah.
And it's on the back seat. That's what nobody believes me. But like, look at this guy. It's his first time driving. He has one hand on the wheel down a back road, and he loves it. And cruising, no problems. And she's not even scared. So that's saying something.
Yeah.
I might be scared. Yeah. I might be just a tad scared. Just a little bit.
I don't know. The sun's pretty good in my eyes. I can't really see much.
Oh, you don't need to see the lines. This truck drives itself, actually.
I can tell.
And yeah, you don't even, honestly, just let go of the steering wheel. I'm just kidding, don't let go of the steering wheel. No, it's a Tesla diesel. Elon Musk, this is his first truck that he ever made with a diesel, and it's like self-driving. But I wouldn't just tell everybody that. They might think you're crazy. But just between me and you, that's the truth.
Really?
That's why it drives so well.
I kind of figured it had some sort of
It has its own personal satellite in space, and it like just connects to this, and it just knows. Like, that's why I don't even need a touchscreen navigation screen, because it's automatically connected to the satellite.
Does your satellite like have a big piece on it too?
Yeah, it has my logo on it.
That's
Yeah. No, it's pretty legit. I couldn't make this stuff up.
I believe it 100%.
Poor old Ford F1 titty.
Right, that if I meet somebody next to a mailbox, I'm either taking down the mailbox or their mirror.
Oh, if you take down the mailbox, it'll buff.
I don't think that. What are they gonna do? Stop us?
Yeah, no. We just blow some smoke and it hides our license plate. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let's see you roll some coal. I want to see it. Oh yeah, rolling the coal. Too bad I didn't get on camera. But we just went by a whole bunch of like kids that are going to prom, and their mouths actually dropped. This guy's already shutting down prom, and he hasn't even made it to prom yet. Is this it?
Yeah. I believe so.
Oh, snazzy.
It's a cattle ranch.
Yeah, I don't have a trailer, so we can't get no cows.
Just throw them in the back.
Oh, hog tie a calf up, throw him in the bed.
Yeah.
It would work. Nobody even know I have it. And they ain't gonna be able to see the bed of the truck. Look at all these youngsters. They put us right next to a curb. Are you serious?
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Have fun, guys.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to.
Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did doing this entire thing. Taking them to prom and just seeing the smiles on their face, and it's honestly, I think, making their entire night one to remember forever is more than enough for me. That was super exciting, and I'm glad I could be a part of that, and I'm glad I could take them there. That was a great experience, and honestly, I'd do it again and again. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's a little different, but I think it was a well-made video. So comment, like, and subscribe, and comment down below what you guys thought about this video. Let me know your thoughts. It just worked out perfectly because they're in the same town that I am, and it just worked out. Now, granted, I'm not going to be traveling across the United States to do this for everybody's prom, but it's nothing but a couple hours spent, you know. And honestly, it was a really good time spent. Good people, and I'm glad, you know, they had a good night. So hopefully the rest of the night goes just as well, and it's one for them to remember. Anyways, good night, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.
'Cause I find my way. I found my way.
See, this is what you gotta love about the country life. My road is completely flooded. What is this? It was flooded all the way up to here. You can see where it was. From there to there. You can see the difference in the gravel. The bridge is right back there. Look at this bullshit.